step by step if you are doing it at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the third step from Crystal Trifecta, and I'm not using it to squeeze into my metal piece right here to prevent from tarnish and then getting is really like rusty looking here for 60 seconds. This is really cool and simple. Just a centerpiece. You can create your own centerpiece, and you can put like crimson, you can put like Bahamas, you can put pumpkin spice. I mean the different colors throughout the years, you know, for that centerpiece. And then I'm gonna do, that is called a create your own centerpiece or metal piece. So I'm gonna seal this one because you see, remember that we put it on first, but I still want to seal this so then that way it will stay nice and remaining a good colors. Thanks so much, Aika. I hope everyone enjoying it, because you know a lot of question and requests for 40. So here you go. Hey, I'm still able to using some of the is the Aurora gels. I'm so obsessed with this because I can't wait to see what colors you are going to get. And this is super simple, easy with this sponge that I did. And stay tuned, you can able to get this one. You know, it's simple, easy on under the two